Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix that you can't delete applications or other software from your PC. But let's see, for example, if I'm searching for Steam and I want to delete Steam and I click on the three dots and go to uninstall and I click on uninstall, this error is getting all the time on my screen. Then from now what we need to do is click this away and search for your control panel. Go to control panel, and then right here we go to programs and features, and then now search for Steam. So right here we search for Steam, there it is, right mouse click, uninstall, then we do yes, then we do yes, and right now Steam got removed. So this is the other way how you can delete applications or install the apps on your PC. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.